Hey everyone, back again. Just want to do a little update and have a conversation about this tremolo and some very interesting findings I've discovered as I've been going through different processes. Now, this is cast aluminum, and I'm sandcasting them myself one at a time as I get started in manufacturing and fine-tuning every step and every process along the way. And so it's been pretty exciting, and I got a really neat surprise to share with you. The T-Bone has a similar structure to a tuning fork. And what I have discovered is that the ping hertz or resonance of frequency, if you want to call it that, of this unit is sitting right at 1335, which is incredibly close to a high E string in a guitar. And you'll see in a second, I'll show you the matching ping that I've done, and also the guitar strumming, and showing you just how well it is matched. It's pretty exciting because what this means is that right from the foundation on up, we're dealing with something that is very dense in frequency and is very organically paired to your guitar. And it will not be taking away sustain or resonance, because I know how important tone is to every one of us. And it's like when you're doing a mod, it's like, okay, one of the questions is this going to enhance and help my tone, or is it going to, take it away and then make it worse? We talk about different materials for saddles, whether it's titanium or brass or aluminum or steel or whatever it may be, or even the man-made polymers. So this is really important to me. Not only the return to pitch, but is this piece going to enhance the sound of your guitar? And I believe it does, because of that very reason. So I'm going to stop here and I'll let you have a listen and see how it goes. And that one. It's pretty amazing. And I think it's a really wonderful surprise for me as a designer and manufacturer. This was something I was not expecting. This piece right. So what makes the 1335 frequency so interesting and exciting? Well, for us in our physical form, it affects our adrenal system. It creates balance and harmony. Those are awesome buzzwords, but they really do affect us in our systems. And that's important to me. Some people might find that kind of woohoo, or they don't believe in it. A lot of people are really into the sound healing or sound baths, frequency having an important role and actually having an impact on our bodies. So the fact that this is tuned to that pitch or frequency hertz is really exciting for me, because that means we're starting with something really pure and really special, and it will enhance and help your guitar. It won't be taking away frequency or your resonance, because it's a foundational part of the whole system. We're starting out with something pure and dense and solid and very precise. That's going to only enhance everything that gets added to the tremolo. And once you string it up and you start playing it, you'll know that the part that you have on there is actually adding, not taking away from your instrument. And that's exciting to me. So make sure you check out my website. Links in the bottom, and you check out my Facebook. I post there all the time, and let's have a conversation. I do these in batches of 5, and I've got that started. So stay tuned, and I'll continue talking about the different design elements and parts that go into this tremolo. You have a good day.